Pips here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be testing this method that I found on YouTube on how to clean a scratched disc. Now you can see it is pretty scratched. It did work before, but it doesn't want to work now. So a method I found on YouTube is, first, this is definitely not the only step and will not help with really anything. You really want to put this under water. Okay, so you want to put it under some water and dry it with a good cloth, and I'll be right back with a cloth. Okay guys, so I'm back with a microfiber cloth, and let's just wipe this disc for a second. Actually, I'm going to go get a tripod. Okay guys, I am back with a tripod. If you see like a phone case random, that's just the case for the phone that's usually on, but it's too fat. And I have a microfiber cloth, of course. And now what you really want to do is, let's move the disc a little, put the tripod right here, facing a light switch. Oh geez, here. Just gonna wipe that off a little bit. Now what you really want to do is, actually, you know what, I'm going to go like this, and then down towards the toilet. So here's the disc. What you want to do is scrub out the microfiber cloth. Do not go in circular motion, because that will possibly even ruin the disc further. And it's obviously still very scratched. So, apparently, what you need to do is take some toothpaste without any of those little like things in it. The reason I'm using the kids version is because mine has the little minty things in it, so I can't really use it, and this one does not. So, just want to squirt some toothpaste on there, like that. Oop, gotta put the phone in the charger, I forgot. Sorry guys, I just had to put the phone. Okay, now we're set for our... Alright, so there's some toothpaste, and you want to rub it around, spread it evenly. Across the entire disc. So you can get an even coating. Need to get some more toothpaste. And this will act as like a filler for these scratches, apparently, according to this one video by Xbox DIY. So, you really do want to do this. So you want to have an even coating. So it doesn't like not evenly fill in one part and evenly fill in the other. Alright, so what we have to do now is, I gotta wash off my hand first. So now, what we have to do is apparently that's just my sink right here. And my phone is charging, so perfect. This isn't really my main phone, as you can tell. This is an iPhone 3GS, the first iPhone I was able to take video, because my other phone is filled, but it's a pretty good camera, nonetheless. So, what we have to do is let this dry for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna say around 5, maybe 6. Actually, I'm just gonna go watch a YouTube video and then come back after, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, so it's been about 6 minutes, or about 7 maybe. So, let's take the disc, put it here, and we will wipe off the excess, and hopefully the toothpaste has hardened inside. Oh, dang, I had it at like the perfect position and then it fell. Okay, I have it at the perfect position, and now it's gonna fall over, of course, it wants to. Okay, so now, as I've told you to do before, go out the microfiber cloth. Jeez, I'm gonna need to clean this. This thing is for cleaning glasses and stuff. You know what, I'm gonna wet this real quick. I don't know if these are really supposed to be wet or not, but I don't really care. Hopefully this water will not take off the inside, or the scratches on the inside. So let's keep cleaning. Oh, damn, jeez. Jeez, man. I'm just gonna use a towel. Jeez, man, I'm making all this mess. This can go in the sink, because I'm just gonna use a tissue. It's not the best solution to anything. It's far from a good solution. But still, out. Now, hopefully all that water did not take out any of these scratches. But now what we want to do is get some plain old white deodorant. An example of what you don't want to use is what my deodorant is. Gel deodorant. It smells good. I wish you could smell it. Smells good. Buy that kind if you need deodorant and you're all out. It's really good. Oh dear God. And now what we want to do is, this is like acting like another filler. Oh jeez. This is my brother's old deodorant that he can't use anymore because he, I don't know, he has some kind of, or his body has some kind of reaction to it. So that's why I'm going to use it for the disc. Okay. And this is an original Xbox Star Wars Battlefront disc that doesn't really work. And same thing as before, just spread from the inside to out. Make sure you go all the way around the disc. And don't leave any spots. And shout out to Xbox DIY for showing me this trick, because I really do want to get this disc back in order and functioning, and I want to see if I can do it on other discs as well. warning, this project is a little bit of time consuming. So, yeah. Shoot. Whew. That was a close one. Sorry guys, this is the phone fell over, and this phone is kind of, it's not valuable, but it's valuable to my life, kind of, because it's my secondary camera if I really do need it. So, yeah. So there is that, and we'll wait a couple more minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know exactly how long it's been, but here is the disc with deodorant and glory. We'll just take a tissue and wipe her down. So, let's just see if this made any difference. It might have left some small, minor scratches, but that won't be much of a deal. Wow, actually, that really made an improvement. Let's go see if this method works. Okay guys, hey guys, I don't really have the best lighting conditions down here, but here's the Xbox and here's the TV. So let's first turn on the CRT TV, and she's on. And now let's turn on the Xbox. Well, there's the Xbox, which it does not have Star Wars Battlefront in it yet, because Battlefront's right over here. Now, as you can see, it hasn't, well, it looks probably like super duper good, but to me it's got scratches. What the? What? Okay. Just had to load something up real quick, alright. So now we have the Xbox dashboard. Let's put Star Wars Battlefront to the test. And now let's see if this method actually worked. And if it doesn't, that's okay. And I'll ask you guys if it worked for you guys. Maybe I'll wipe it with my pants for a second and see if I can get it. Okay, I've wiped it a little with my pants. Here, let's try turning it off and then turn it on. And this does read other game discs. Oh, that's a good sign. It's trying. I'll come back to you if it turns on or not. Okay, so the method did not work. I don't know if it's just me, or the toothpaste, or the deodorant I used, or what, but it didn't work. So, thank you guys for watching to see if this method worked. If this method works for you, then try it in your game console or DVD. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.